Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long since I dropped a new video, but I'm happy I'm back again. I'm here to give you an update how you can apply for Bahrain Evisa on your own by yourself without calling on anybody. How can you apply for Bahrain visa without calling on anybody? So let me just show you step by step how you can apply for Bahrain e-visa without any problem. So let me open the site again once. So the site is evisa.gov.bh. evisa.gov. You can see the site again here. So this is the site. This is the Bahrain site. So if you want to apply for Bahrain visa, this way you can apply for your Bahrain visa. If you want to apply for Bahrain visa, this is the main Bahrain website. This is where you can apply for your Bahrain visa. The address is evisa.gov.bh. So you can check your, assuming you have already applied or some agents apply on your behalf, you can check your status here, your visa status here, and you can apply for a new visa on your own by yourself here. So the first thing is to click on the apply. So this is the main Bahrain website. So you will quickly answer this question: do you have a current resident permit for a GCC country? So if you are from GCC country, you click yes. So for me, no. Let's If yes, you select the country, but if no, so the purpose of your visit, for me the purpose of my visit is tourism. So details, so let me click on motorsport event, no. Transit conference, others, let me just click on others. Description of your purpose of visit, so let me just tourist for tour. Your nationality as show in your passport. Like me, I'm from Nigeria. If you are from India, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Kenya, Namibia, South Africa, Ghana, Uganda, so you will select your country. So for me, I'm from Nigeria, so I will select Nigeria. So this is like a security question. You will need to put the in. So next, so different type of visa for a tourist. So you have to click on a specific one. You have to click on a spec, like okay, we have artist visa, student visa, visa for foreign world of Bahrain citizen, visa for children of Bahrain mother married to foreigner, visit visa for Nepri, GCC visitor e-visa. So as for Nigerian, Ghana, Kenya, this is what you need. Visiting single entry, if you are going for 2 weeks, or you want to apply for 1 month, this is what you need. If it is multiple, if it is single entry, you click on single. Okay, let me just click on single entry here. Apply. So you have to accept, then you fill in your information, your passport number. My passport number, let me just see, A123456. Assuming that is my passport number. So my date of birth, let me just say third month, year, let me see, 96, May. Country of birth, Nigeria. If you are from India, Bangladesh, Nepal, can you, you have to select your country of residence, country of your birth. Passports, expiring date, so you have to month, year, let me see, 2025. So family name, let me see, occupation, so you need to put in your occupation. Let me just say, okay, agency. Sorry, travel agent. Place of work, so my place of work, let me say Lagos. So your email, your phone number, so let me, my phone number is, so next, the phone number is invalid. Let me put my phone number. Okay, due to country code, plus 234. Can you see now? You have to add your country code. So this is it. So you click on next again. So now you have to read carefully. You upload your necessary documents, your passport, your returning air ticket, your hotel booking, your bank statement. Is either you have UAE, UK, US, South Africa, or any Schengen country, or USA green card. Is either you have any one of the option. So you have to upload it. A valid visa, you have to upload. After you upload all the documents, you click on next, and you take you to a page where you will make your visa payment. And don't forget, whatever anything you want to upload, try to, you should always read the minimum file size for any attachment is 2 MB, 2 MB, and it must be in BMP, PJ, and PDF. So you must have a valid document to upload. And after you upload your valid document, your traveling document, you click on next, and it will take you to a page where you will make your visa payment, visa fee. So after that, it will take you to a page where you make your visa fee. After making your visa fee payment, you will submit your application. So that is how you can apply for Bahrain Evisa. That is how you can apply for Bahrain Visa on your own. So try please. So that is how you can apply for Bahrain Evisa. So please, if you are a returning, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, you can also share. Thanks so much.